I don't think regulators are, or at least government agencies are regulating banks in terms of their AI adoption. I don't think, in fact, they're promoting. Look at what's happening with regulators in Hong Kong, in Singapore. Actually, they're promoting banks. What AI would allow these banks is to manage their costs efficiently, which has been one of the major problem. So I don't think regulators are stopping them from adopting AI, because we are still in the early days in terms of use cases of AI in the banking sector. I think a potential regulation would come when AI would start to impact jobs, when AI would start to impact many of the traditional processes. Where I think the governments are really showing or promoting companies or banks is that they are building ecosystems around AI. What governments have realized is that AI could prove to be a strategic advantage for countries, respective countries. You have seen China, for example, announcing the AI initiative. Hong Kong, Singapore, many countries have identified that AI is a strategic advantage for them, and they're actually building ecosystems around AI. So I think, to summarize, I don't think there is any regulation on AI at this stage. In the very near term, it's going to be a bit niche. For example, AI could be used in terms of chatbots or virtual assistants. There are a few examples how banks in Asia are actually expanding into emerging markets like India or Indonesia using AI-based platforms, the digital banking platforms, and gaining millions of customers within a span of few months. We think that initially it's going to be limited in the consumer facing, which is what I was referring to, chatbots, virtual assistants. But over a period of time, what would happen is that it would spread into other areas as well. Could be wealth management, investment bank, or asset management, or basically into everything. We think that ultimately AI would lead to extreme automation. When I say extreme automation, the use cases would be using AI for underwriting in investment bank, or using AI in wealth management, not to replace headcount, but actually provide, for example, robo-advisory services, which means that there will be less focus on doing the mundane daily task, whereas the advisors would be actually focused in terms of meeting the client's requirements, understanding the profile much more, and engaging in more customized advisory service. So over a period of time, we think that AI will make or penetrate into every aspect of banking.